Hello my friends, Happy New Year to all of you. I have another episode for you. I know last month was a little bit quiet. It's because of all the cold over here. My garage is in some swampy area, so the air gets really moist. As you can see on the floor, all the tiles are pulling up all the water, so that's not good to work here. So for that reason I installed a heater system. It's original, made for boats and RVs, but to install it here, if it only helps to get it up a couple of degrees, I'm happy with that. So I told you the first car I'm going to start is this one. I told you I want to change the front fenders because of the hood latch, which is broken. I have another one here, so it's no use to show all of you how I'm gonna repaint this. So here it goes. So here it is in the right color. Let's go on to the next thing. Last time I told you about this strange front bumper on this car. I thought it was a Type 1 SE bumper because of the strange gap over there. It makes no sense on this car. But after some research, I found out that more SECs have this type of bumper. But I think it's a total mismatch on this car. If you see the side plating, the trim, it doesn't make any sense. But I have a European style bumper for this car, but no chrome for it, so I have to think about that, what I'm gonna do. Reuse this bumper in the right color or make a European version out of it. Okay, well, let's start first by pulling this bumper off. So the front bumper is off. All this trouble was only because of the wires of the fog lights that were all bundled behind the headlights, so that all needed to come off. So next thing, the front fenders. let's do it. So the first one has come off. This one is sitting before the hood hinge. So a lot of trouble just to get there. So let's go on. And here is the cause of all this work. Those 4 bolts. So now it is out. So you can clearly see what's the cause of the problem. Is this. It's just snapped off. It is a common problem. Let's hope the new one will perform better. I'm going to install this. Now it can stand upright again. That will come in handy when I'm gonna change the engine. So that's done. I started this just for repairing the hood hinge, but there are also other jobs that I saw that needs my attention. If you like what I do, subscribe to the channel and push the like button. Until the next one, thank you for watching. Bye.